did, whatever healthy interventions I did, I knew was not enough. And at that time, I was thinking, I knew that what I needed was something cell regeneration. I'm really teary-eyed because I prayed for a solution. And I wanted to heal. I wanted to love myself again. And then one day, this girl, Suzette, says, Ate, I want you to try something. And she sent me LifeWave patches. Self-care is not a luxury. It should never be an afterthought. It should be your prime everything. There are many ways that can help. Eating well, yoga, breathwork, and of course, LifeWave.
LifeWave, a single wearables patch, are able to just balance all your energy system and let it flow.
What is the damage type of today? And it is DNA damage. It's the DNA damage that contribute to the cellular damage, then later on contribute multiple organ damage. I hope that if there are 5 words that you can bring back home today, it's called GHK-Copper. It can repair the DNA, it can activate your own stem cell, which is the solution for today's problem, the DNA damage.
Because I was committed in doing the LifeWave business, I was able to bring my dream to a reality.
Praise God with LifeWave. Nakita ko how powerful the products are. Ginamit ni Mami, ginamit ko. Nakita ko how the pain nawala. The problem starts when the cell death, nagmamalfunction na siya. It causes aging, it causes diseases. So doon ako na sa LifeWave. It talks about cell regeneration, DNA repair, and yung death, it will not hit you hard until mawalan ka ng mahal sa buhay. So my dad passed away noong 2009 and sabi ko, I will never ever let my mom die early. I will do my best to keep her alive and to give the best life to her. Because of LifeWave, I started earning passive income.